Psalm 34. I bless you, God, every chance I get. My lungs expand with your praise. I live and breathe you, Father. When things aren't going well, I will be happy. I will spread the news. I will get the word out. God, you met me more than halfway. You freed me from my anxious fears. I look at you and give you my warmest smile. I will never hide my feelings from you. When I am desperate, I will call out, and you get me out of a tight spot. Your angel sets up a circle of protection around me while I pray. I will open my mouth and taste. I will open my eyes and see how good you are, God. I am blessed because I run to you. I worship you because I want the best. Worship opens doors to all your goodness. Young lions on the prowl get hungry, but God's seekers are full of you, God. Listen closely and get a lesson in God worship. I have a lust for life and can't wait each day to come upon beauty. I will guard my tongue from profanity and no more lying through my teeth. I will turn my back on sin and do good things. I will embrace peace and won't let it get away. God, you keep an eye on me. Your ears pick up every moan and groan. You don't put up with rebels, you call them from the pack. I am crying for help, and you are listening, ready to rescue me. When my heart is broken, I'll find you right there, God. When I'm kicked in the gut, you'll help me catch my breath. I so often get into trouble. Still, you are there every time. God, you are my bodyguard, shielding every bone. Not even a finger gets broken. The wicked commit slow suicide. They waste their lives hating the good. You pay for my freedom. No one who runs to you loses out.